everybody. How are we all today? It's another gorgeous day. Birds are singing. Anyway, I was thinking about how we doubt ourselves, how we are unsure, and how this programming is hard to relinquish. It is very hard to relinquish because it's been decades. So, I'm going to pose a question. You are the light. You are the magic. You are also your darkness. And you are also love. Everything is love. And you are most definitely love. And you are most definitely loved by love. So how is it that we doubt ourselves? How can we doubt love? Yes, love cancels that out. Love covers everything. The opposite of love is fear. So the programming of fear that we have, we are learning to surrender it and release it. That is why we doubt ourselves. So we are love. We are all encompassing. Squirrel. So we've been taught to be in our masculine area of doing, and giving. Let's try to rest in our feminine for a little while. And the feminine is receiving. Receive your love. Receive your own light. Receive your own darkness, for there are messages in it. Receive your own breath. Receive the beauty that is you. Rest in it. Admire it. All the intricacies that came together to make you are fantastical. Really, they can't explain it. So, if you are love, then you should feel it from you. Skunk is near. Anyway, I love you. I thank you. Receive. Rest. So you may wake up again tomorrow. Oh, my son.